From the decor and jazz to the incredible service, Wildfire has the style and warmth that brings something special to the experience of dining. As the restaurant celebrates its 30th anniversary, I had a chance to speak to President Howard Katz to learn more about the modern-day 1940s Diner Club and its delicious offerings.
We're a 1940s style steakhouse, supper club, very comfort foods, comfortable restaurant, and a fun environment.
Yeah, what's the vibe like?
1940s, so we play the crooner music in the background, and there's a lot of hustle and bustle. We have an open kitchen with a wood-burning oven, and there's a lot of activity, people watching their meals being prepared. So we're celebrating our 30th anniversary, and our first one was at River North, and we opened 6 more after that, and we have 5 in the Chicago area. We are not a trendy restaurant. We're a comfortable, casual steakhouse, and we hold all kinds of events here. Special occasions, everyday dining. We have a wide variety on our menu. People will come in for a salad and a sandwich or a hamburger, and others will come and celebrate their anniversaries and birthdays and showers and weddings and all that. Our biggest selling dish is our chopped salad. 11 ingredients, a homemade citrus lime vinaigrette dressing, and we are known for that. A lot of people come in and have that as their lunch, but it's also shared at dinner time. Our steaks, we have a whole wide variety of steaks. Our most famous one is our horseradish crusted filet. So we make a breadcrumb horseradish mix and top that on top of the steak, and we wrap the filet in bacon, and we broil it at a 600-degree broiler. We also have all the classics, porterhouse ribeye. We do a tenderloin tip dish. We have a wonderful Romanian skirt steak with sauteed onions on the side.
Oh, yum. And you even do something as simple as a cheeseburger.
We have a prime cheeseburger that is a special blend of chuck and brisket that's blended special for us from Stockyards Packing out of Chicago. Our seasonal selection that is actually also one of my favorites is our macadamia nut crusted halibut. It's fresh Alaskan halibut that's flown in daily. We have a martini lounge. We have 8 different martinis that we make, and we also have our own Wildfire Cabernet and Chardonnay that's bottled, but we have a full bar selection too.
But we would be remiss if we didn't mention all of your amazing desserts.
We have many of the classics, our key lime pie, but one of my favorites is our Door County cherry pie. We make all our desserts in-house every day, and we get the cherries from Door County, and they're very tart, and that is one of our biggest selling desserts, and we have that pie all year long. Look, most restaurants do not last 30 years, let alone 5 of these in the Chicago area. I'm the president of the restaurants, but it's everybody in this building and each building that make it work. I can't tell you how many stories and how many people I've met that said, you know what, I had my 8th grade graduation at Wildfire, Lincolnshire. I grew up, went to college, moved away, then came back, moved to the city, ate at Wildfire in Chicago, and then they're starting their own family. They move back to the suburbs, and they bring their kids. So it's really remarkable how much we are a part of each community.
I'm so hungry right now. Oh my goodness. Grab those phones and scan the QR code on your screen for more information. Wildfire has locations in Chicago, Glenview, Schaumburg, Oak Brook, and Lincolnshire. You can also visit their website, wildfirerestaurant.com, for more info. And today we have a new Daytime Chicago exclusive. You could win a $200 gift card to Wildfire. To enter, visit WGNTV.com/contest, and we'll be picking a winner next week.